The Coach Unisex Mini Lillie Carryall is a stylish and versatile accessory that blends practicality with high-end design. Crafted from durable pebbled leather, it features a sleek, compact silhouette that's perfect for those who need both fashion and function in one bag. The mini size offers ample room for essentials like your phone, wallet, and keys, while its interior pockets ensure easy organization. The top handles and removable, adjustable strap give you multiple carrying options, whether you prefer it as a handbag or crossbody. Its minimalist yet sophisticated design makes it a great fit for both casual and formal occasions. The gold tone hardware adds a touch of luxury, complementing the rich leather texture. Though it's small, the bag's quality craftsmanship and timeless style make it a great investment for those seeking a designer piece without the bulk. Overall, the Coach Unisex Mini Lillie Carryall is a must-have for anyone looking for a chic, functional, and durable bag that effortlessly elevates any outfit. Highly recommended for on-the-go individuals who value both style and convenience.